Imagine you're standing at the crossroads of industrial automation, where every decision can make or break your system's efficiency. The HMI 8150iG-C is a critical player in this arena. It's not just a tool, it's a gateway to seamless communication and real-time data exchange. The first question we tackle is its OPC UA server capability. Understanding this is crucial because OPC UA allows for secure and efficient data transfer between devices. Next, we dive into the possibility of simulating the MQTT protocol during online simulation in PISTUDIO. This is essential for testing and validating your IoT strategies without the need for physical devices. Mastering these capabilities can significantly enhance your system's performance and reliability. Let's delve into the OPC UA server functionality within the HMI 8150iG-C. Imagine the HMI as a central hub that communicates with various devices and systems. OPC UA, or Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture, serves as the bridge for this communication. It allows the HMI to act as a server, providing data to clients and receiving commands. The key here is the interoperability and security that OPC UA offers. It uses a standardized protocol, ensuring that different systems can communicate seamlessly. Security is enhanced through features like encryption and user authentication. When configuring the HMI as an OPC UA server, you'll need to set specific parameters such as the server endpoint URL, security policies, and user roles. These settings are crucial for ensuring that the communication is both efficient and secure. Remember, the endpoint URL is like the address where clients will connect, so choose it wisely. Security policies determine how data is encrypted and authenticated, so select them based on your system's requirements. User roles define who can access what data, so configure them to match your organizational needs. This setup not only streamlines data exchange but also fortifies your system against unauthorized access. To begin configuring the HMI 8150iG-C for OPC UA, navigate to the Settings menu and select the Network tab. Here, you'll find the OPC UA configuration options. Enable OPC UA server functionality by setting the Enable OPC UA server parameter to True. Next, set the server port to 4840, which is the standard port for OPC UA. Ensure that security mode is set to None for initial testing, but remember to enhance this for production environments. Finally, save the configuration and restart the HMI to apply the changes. This setup will allow your HMI to act as an OPC UA server, facilitating seamless data exchange with other industrial automation systems. Now, let's dive into simulating the MQTT protocol within PISTUDIO. First, you'll need to configure your MQTT broker settings. Set the broker address to your MQTT server's IP and the port to 1883, which is the default for MQTT. Next, define your topics, for instance, device/status for status updates and device/command for sending commands. Ensure your client ID is unique to avoid conflicts. In PISTUDIO, navigate to the Simulation tab and select MQTT Simulation. Here, input your broker settings and topic names. Remember to enable Auto Reconnect to handle any network interruptions gracefully. This setup will allow you to test MQTT communications effectively without physical devices. To wrap up our deep dive into the HMI 8150iG-C, let's synthesize the critical points regarding OPC UA and MQTT. First, the HMI 8150iG-C does indeed support OPC UA as a server, enabling seamless integration with industrial automation systems. For MQTT, while online simulation in PISTUDIO may have limitations, you can still configure the HMI to publish and subscribe to MQTT topics, facilitating real-time data exchange. Remember, setting the correct parameters is key. For OPC UA, ensure your security settings are configured, and for MQTT, double-check your broker address and topic names. This setup not only enhances your system's interoperability but also future-proofs it for IoT applications. And here's why that matters. Mastering these protocols allows your systems to communicate efficiently across different platforms, reducing latency and increasing reliability. But there's more. Always keep your firmware updated to leverage the latest features and security patches. This is the kind of in-depth knowledge that others might charge for, but here, it's yours for free. If you found this valuable, consider subscribing for more high-level, no-holds-barred education.